So guys, my phone went off and I cleaned the whole house, and this is what I've done. Okay, so I've cleaned everything. Whew, I'm so tired. Even the kitchen now, it looks cleaner. It's lunchtime. I have lunch here. I have fish and 2 ugali. And my pumpkins are ready. They're ready. I need to pick like 2 and have them. As for the fish, I'm going to have it later with Alvin when he comes. I feel like having pumpkins right now, so let me pick like 2. I'm going to have this with avocado. I have avocado here. I'm so tired and hungry too at the same time. Hii avocado ni mbaya. It's not good. Woye. Since my avocado is spoiled, I'll be having one with banana. I have bananas here. Alvin is here. Hi Alvin.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm back.
How was school? So guys, I have been sleeping from 2 p.m. till now. It's 4:30 p.m. But I'm up now, yeah. So I need to start preparing for him something to have. I think I have milk here, yeah. And we also have chapo. So let me warm first. So after this, I think I'll have a walk, like 10 minutes walk, because I don't feel good. So it's almost 6 p.m. Let me have a walk. This is our neighborhood here. We have taken a long walk. Tupitie hapa hapa. That's our sunset there. Sunset, a very beautiful one. That's our beautiful sunset. There. We are back home. We are back home with nothing. Sawa. Let me see my clothes if they are dry. Yeah, they are dry. I'm going to pick them later. Let me close the curtains and then go and prepare supper.
Pusi. Pusi ako hapo. Daddy. Kuja tu. Kuja. Hapo. Hapo. Hapo.
Kai. Sini vumbi kwa barabara.
Ndiko barabara.
Nikuletea embe utabeba kesho.
Really?
Na avocado.
Mande. Hi, strong man.
Hi to you.
How are you?
I'm good.
You are back
Yeah.
with the goodies.
I brought you some goodies.
Uh-huh.
But Alvin is not happy because
It's not some.
He wants tam-tam.
Mm-hmm.
But he don't know that this is the best.
This is the
Yeah,
best.
Louis.
Mangoes and some avocados.
Umeshinda aje?
Mm-hmm.
Ticha anasema aje? Hebu ruka juu nikubebe. Ruka juu.
What?
Oh yeah. Ticha anasema aje?
Ticha.
Hmm.
Sama.
Kama aliandika kwa diary.
Kama. Ndio umeshinda aje wewe?
Mimi nimeshinda poa. Ni kazi tu kuchoka.
Umechoka sana? Pole basi.
Like a gari ya Spider-Man.
Hiyo nikipata nitabai ni venye nimetoka mahali late. Wapi?
Kwa nyumba.
Umetoa wapi?
Kwa mama.
Umebai? Mama amekubaia?
Nitakula.
Nilikuwa nashinda kusema printer.
Nitakula ya mama.
What?
So let's get inside. Alvin nichukulie hiyo pegs. Sikilia.
Ulifanya nini?
Inanipea rashes huku, unaona hii?
So you are washing your cake.
Yeah, the cape is giving me rashes. And I don't want to spoil more capes. Because my kind of work, you must work with this thing because of a lot of dust. And if you wear more than 3 or 4, you're going to spoil them more.
Daddy. Ingia maji.
Yes.
Ingia maji.
It's just like that. And then I put it here in our bathroom here to dry. For it to dry up all here. And then tomorrow I'm going to wear it again.
Daddy. Teacher alisema.
Let me warm water
Ah, teacher alisema tuende
so that
Juzi si atuendani.
he can shower.
Si atuendani. Kwanza nataka nioge.